Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. We're adding another video to the 7 Days of Diwali Makeup series. We're doing this simple eye look today. It's totally matte, and then we're adding just highlight in the correct places. I'm using my Huda Beauty Warm Obsessions palette, and as usual, starting out with primed eyelids, and I've set it with my Face of Australia powder. And then just going in with the shades from Huda Beauty, starting out in my crease and just slowly blending it into like a really seamless color, and then always blending my inner corners and then just deepening it up a little bit, creating a little bit of a depth and just building the color on. I think by far this is one of my favorite looks in this series that I've done so far. I think it's very simple, very subtle, yet it gives you this really beautiful festive vibe. So I hope you do recreate it. This is a beautiful palette and you can create multiple looks with this. There's only one shimmer shade, so I just wanted to do something simple and get some versatility with this palette. Again, just deepening up the crease and the outer corner, creating that subtle depth, and just, going in with different peachier shades in the palette. I'm using that shade to just place all over my eyelids. It's the same shade we used in the crease, and that's just going to bring the whole look together, make it a bit more cohesive, and just make it very, very vibrant. Here in Australia, this can be used as like a nice summer look as well. So yeah, just, building the color, blending as I go, and deepening up as well. And then I'll just intensify my lid color a little bit more. And just using very few brushes and just, getting the look and intensity that I want. And making sure to blend in between so that, there's a nice diffusion of colors. And then I'm just going to place that on my brow bone, highlight that area, and then also diffuse any sharp edges, harsh edges, as usual as I do. I feel like a plain color always, you can use it to blend out everything. And then for my eyeliner today, I've decided to include all of these steps in my video today. I'm just using my Maybelline Eye Studio Gel Liner and not creating a very sharp wing, just very precise. And then I did my foundation and everything off camera, and then I'm baking with my Face of Australia face powder. And for my bronzer today, I'm using my Hoola. And just, usual places. And then always want to cover your chin area since I have a double chin. I always mention that. For my contour today, I'm using my Revlon contour kit. This is in collaboration with Chloe Morello. And just carving out my cheekbones, a little bit of my forehead as well, since mine's big. And then a little bit on my nose, and again, my chin area. I never forget that. It just kind of looks all put together. This is my favorite blush. This is Dolce Pink from Milani, and I'm just placing that in the apples of my cheeks. This gives you a really beautiful shine to it. It has like speckles of glitter, but it doesn't really portray on your cheeks, which is what I love the most about it. And then for an added shine, I'm going in with my Maybelline Molten Gold highlighter, again, one of my absolute favorites. And I kept the eye very simple, very pretty, but then I'm always, all about that highlighter, so always adding it in the strategic places. I'm just gonna dust off my bake and just, kind of make sure that there are no harsh edges, and then I'll finish my lower lash line, just using again the shades from the Huda Beauty palette. I really do like this. This is like a little bit of it goes a long way, and the color intensity and payoff is beautiful on this one. Just using different brushes, and again, from that precision, I'm going in with those two shades and just filling my lower lash line. And then I'm also going to place the face highlight on the inner corners and just a tiny bit on the edge of my brows. This step I love doing lately, just like that, just very subtle, but it kind of just gives you that oomph. Using my Lash Sensational mascara, I love this one, and just coating my lashes with this one. I'm not using any falsies today, so just really making sure that I apply really good coats of this, just to intensify the lashes, and I'll go use the same one on my lower lash line. For my lip liner today, I am using Jordana lip liner in burgundy. This These lip liners are so beautiful and pigmented. I've had them for a while, but then they're still creamy and they're still rich. So really do recommend these ones. I decided to layer a lot of products today. I went in with my Viva Glam 1 from MAC, and then I decided to go on top with the CoverGirl Jumbo Gloss Bomb. I believe this one is in the shade Cream Parfait, and just layering that up, and that is the finished look. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Do share it with your friends. Until next time, take care. Bye.